In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the game Stellaris on your PC. So what we want to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we are going to the official Steam website, and there we are going to locate this game Stellaris. So after that, select it, and as you can see we have the game over here. So basically what you can do is use this offer to buy this game. Currently they are running a offer for €9.99, so that is quite cheap compared to the €39.99, which is the normal price of this game. So once you have decided to buy this game, then add to cart, and once you have added it to your cart you can click on view my cart to finish the payment for this game. Once you have finished the payment, then you can start downloading the game and playing it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!